What's interesting about marijuana is there's been so few tests done in the U.S. Uh, they've almost all been done overseas, the Netherlands. So we're just now getting some reliable data in the last couple of years on marijuana. A problem with folks that use marijuana is their olfactory senses are shot. They don't smell the weed in the car. So once the officer smells it, he's got probable cause to go from there. And what happens? People want to talk naturally. So then they start admitting to, yeah, I smoked a little bit before I left the house, or they'll see a roach there in the ashtray and they'll have red bloodshot eyes. You're not going to have many DRE, drug recognition expert certified officers out there. What's more, you're not going to have uh, the controlled environment to do a DRE test on. You're not going to do a DRE examination on the side of the road. That's going to be in a very, very controlled environment by a very, very highly trained individual. And you just don't see that a lot. But it's the totality of the circumstances they start looking at. Well, I smelled weed, he admitted to it, and there's a blunt in the ashtray that's still smoldering. Well, you're about to get a marijuana DUI, and they're going to ask you to pee in a cup or draw your blood after that. And our crime lab is so backed up that it is stupid. And you have a Sixth Amendment right to confront your accuser, which would be the person performing the test. You look at Bull Cummings v. New Mexico, and that's the test that said that the individual that the scientist that performs that test is now your accuser. They're not going to be there in Mississippi because the lab's so backed up. So that's a real strong argument that you have on those cases.